Hello guys, sorry for being late, and as you might know, sorry for last week. I didn't make a live for last week, and for this week, for today, we try to do a live, and I will just be short because some people, they told me, okay, if it is shorter it's better than to be 2 or 3 hours or something. So I'm trying to do 1 hour. As usual, I will try to explain each Saturday or Sunday when we do the live. I explain a theme and I explain it and I give you details about what I'm talking about, and then I will answer all your questions. So the theme of today is what to expect in the stock market. It means that we see the past. Now we are expecting something in the future. Okay, so for me, I don't like this word predicting because I have never predicted anything. Rahmatullah, thank you very much for coming. Hello. So before we begin, let's explain what does it mean predict and what does it mean expect in the stock market. There is another word which is speculate. So we have 3 words that always the people use, and I want just to make the difference between before I go and I explain the theme. Predict or prediction is an opinion. Okay? Based on fundamentals, on the company fundamentals, or based on the market, or based on politicians, or based on companies, what they say, or based on analysts. Whatever you have an opinion, you have read an article, and you think that the market next week will be good, so you buy some stocks this Friday, and you think that next week will be good. So this is prediction. But prediction, anyone can predict. Okay? Anyone. If someone has never done any trading, any investing in the street, you ask him, oh, what about the stock market? Do you think it go up or go down? Some they say up, some they say down. You say them why, they give you some reasons. That's it. So most of the time, prediction is not based on anything. Or when it is based on something, that it is vague. Okay? And you understand that the market does not follow predictions. The market is real. I will explain that when we go to the other thing. Now, speculate is when you know a fact and you base your trading on speculation. I have explained this into some of my ebooks this year. I have never speculated in my life. For example, I buy a stock and I think it will go up, or there is a gap up, because I know some information that I have read on the company. The company is strong. The people are talking strong. Everything is strong in the company. As one of my students is arguing with me, and he told me, oh, this company, it will have a gap up, I am sure. I say, okay. Okay? This is speculation. He speculates. He thinks that hello, Fabian, how are you? And I think, Fabian, I think you are okay now. You have been healed from this coronavirus, and I am very happy with you, Fabian. I still remember you last 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago when you said that you are positive. But understand that this coronavirus, it's not as bad as they say. Okay, it's just a virus. Like yes, some people they get hurt, but most of the people they are safe. Okay, because if all the people die on Earth, so who will be on Earth? No one. Okay, so that's it. So So when you are sure about something, this is a problem for you. I'm telling you. I have never been sure about something. Never in my life. And I will never do that. When I trade, I do my rules, my criteria, and I follow stocks. If something go wrong, I have what to do. It means I know what to do. That's it. But if I tell you, I buy this stock or the other stock, and which one will go up, and how can I know? I don't know. This is something in the future. How can I know the future? No one knows the future. So don't try to be sure and to have this confidence on something that you don't know. Okay? So I said speculation is when you know something. For example, in my coronavirus ebook that I have done this year, I think in February or March, I said that there are some companies that they might go good because of this coronavirus. This is something related to economy, related to a lot of stuff. So we in our trading account, we have bought these stocks. We got some good trends, and we got some gap ups, and there are some stocks that they go so crazy. I just forget about some stocks. Now when I see them now, because I have bought other stocks, I don't believe. There is one stock, it was $5, now it is $30 in these 2 or 3 months. Now we bought it, we make some money of it. But when I sold it, when it was going down, I don't see it because I have other stocks to see. And now I find that it is $30. So you understand? Speculation works. If it works, it will be excellent. But this is not prediction. This is something related on solid fundamentals. Okay? And this solid fundamentals, it's related to the economy or related to politics. Okay? Is related to politics. I will give you an example of this. It happens many years ago with the Bank of America. After the 2008, when the market collapsed, Bank of America, I think it was $45, it goes down to $3. This bank, which is one of the biggest banks in America, will collapse and it will go bankrupt. But in politics, because it is a big Rahmatullah say NVAX. Yes, we will check those stocks later. So what did the politician do? They try to bail out the stock market. So they say we will help some big banks from bankruptcy, because they are going. Bank of America. I at that time I see it. It was like $3. It was $45. It goes to $3. It means the company will go bankrupt. So what did happen is that Warren Buffett has bought a big chunk of Bank of America. You see how clever the people are? People are this is speculation, because he knew that politicians will give too much money to these banks, so these banks will flourish again, and it will hire more people, it will have more branches, it will stop firing people or letting people down. You see that? So after a few years, from 3 it goes to 7 or 10, or I don't know where the stocks are for Bank of America. I didn't check for many years, because I don't trade most of the time I don't trade banks and credit card and the other stuff. I don't like them. Okay? This is speculation. Speculation when you know something. It's gonna happen in the future. So, but you say to me, oh, it is like prediction. No, it is not prediction. When for example, the government said, for example, for now, that they send a check, this stimulus check for everybody, like 1,200, all the people in America get 1,200. So this is not speculation. This is not prediction. They already signed, and you will get it in your checking account, or they send it by check. So it is something that it is a fact right now. So the people, they think that they are getting some money 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. Okay, so this is a very good sign. Robert Tijan, how are you, Robert? It's a long time I haven't seen you. You say like Boeing. Yes, Robert, I will ask your questions or what you have in the subject, and I will check all the stocks later. So, this is a speculation. Speculation, it is not for beginners. Speculation, you should know something. Okay? And these people, they follow the whole market. They follow where the market is going. Now here, I'm not speaking about price. Here I'm speaking about what's going on into the stock market. And they take positions. Like the position of the coronavirus news, the bad news, in end of February and until the end of March, 1 month. So what did happen is that people in January, February, they see this coronavirus in China, and then they see it in Europe and a lot of cases, and then it comes to us, to USA, by the 27th of January. So Trump stopped the airline from China, okay, and then from Europe. So no one is coming to us from Europe or from China, and then from England, and then from the whole world. Okay, but it was too late. You know, we have thousands and thousands of people who are here who are contaminated, and they contaminate other people. That's why here in America we have a lot of cases. Rafe West say market will continue to go up thanks to the Fed printing money. And Khalid Bouakas, salam alaikum, wa alaikum salam. Wiseman said, hello Kareem, good evening from Alberta. Thank you very much for coming, all of you guys. I will answer your questions later. So this is what we call prediction. So what they do, these guys, most of these guys are hedge funds. They speculate. They say, okay, since there are bad news and the market is good, it should collapse. This is just speculation. Why? Because America is contaminated, so the cases will be more and more and more and more. So the people, they fear, and they begin to sell, and everything begin to sell. So they sell short. I have seen that sometimes just like this at random, I see that some firms have got a lot of money from the downtrend because they sell short and they make a lot of money. So you understand? This is speculation. It means they know something happening in the market, so they take advantage of it. Okay? So, Rafe West, I will answer all your questions later. So just ask questions, but focus on what I am saying, the lesson. I am giving a lesson right now. So just focus what I am saying, and then I will answer all your questions, if God wills. So we have seen prediction. It's just random. Anyone can predict. Okay, prediction is not a way to trade. It's very naive thing. Okay, you say to me, "Oh, this company seems good and it sells something. I think it will go up, so that I buy it." This is not really speculation. This is prediction. Okay, or you say, for example, this year will be one of the best years in history, or this year will be the worst year in history. Just prediction and opinion. So no one is taking serious this thing. Now speculation, no one will give you information about speculation just like this, and they give you ideas about fundamentals, about what's going on, just for free. No one is doing that. Okay, because at the beginning of the year the market was doing excellent, and we see that it is a good year, no problem at all. And then one day everything collapsed, and they say it's because of coronavirus news. Yes, as Rafe West said, hope is not a strategy. So when you just hope, you buy stock and you hope, then it's going down and you hope it comes back. This is not a way to make money in the market. The market needs skills. Okay? It needs skills. For example, you have a problem with the plumbing in your home, or electricity, or you have some issues in the house, or the AC, or you are not just going to take anyone from the street and you say, okay, can you help me and fix that? And he doesn't know how to fix it, and you pay him money without fixing the thing. So this is stupid. Okay? This is what most of the people in the market are doing. Who mostly are beginners, or some people who have been trading for long, but still they don't understand anything on how trading works. That's why they do the same mistakes. That's why some people, they say, "Oh, okay, I have been trading good for 5 years, but I am losing each year. So what's the catch? I have done this strategy. It's because you do the same mistakes. If you don't understand how the market works, you will be losing money all your life. Even if God gives you 1,000 years, you stay in the stock market, you will be a loser. Because you don't understand the fundamentals of trading, you don't understand the fundamentals of investing. That's why that's why the market punishes you. That's why when you lose money every year, you lose money. The market shows you that you are wrong, what you are doing in the market is not the correct way. Okay? Or you are doing very, very high risk things in the market. For example, you put 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 options. Oh, and you say, I am sure the market, this stock will have a gap up. I am sure. All the people, this guy said, as someone said to me, he said to me that this company has sold all its products. This company has said that it has made a lot of money. He relies on what the people say. And then, instead of getting a gap up, you get a gap down, and this $50,000 that you put in options, it will be wiped out. And then, to whom you blame? To whom you blame? The market. You don't blame the market, because the market, what it gives you is the right price. When we say the right price, okay, the market is always right. It is not logical. The market is not logical, but it is always right because of the people that are there. So, Rafe West say, so how do you fix this? What's the lesson? Now, Rafe West, please. The title of this is what to expect in the stock market. So I am explaining what is prediction, what is speculation. Okay? So just learn and try to understand what I'm saying. And then I will continue with the stock market and how to fix this problem. Okay? So I said prediction is not okay, and it is almost done by beginners. I say speculation is a skill. Okay? So speculation, it is not a strategy. It is just a skill to get money from the market because of the knowledge that you have. So, and it is not investing. Because in speculation, you can stay many months or 1 year or two sometimes. But it is not, it's not investing, you stay 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. Now, this is not speculation, okay? Speculation is a form of trading. Because you trade. When you trade, the time is limited. It's not like investing. Investing is forever. If you find, for example, a company that it is good, let's say Amazon. Amazon, for example, it has 20 years in the market. Just an example, okay? I don't know how many years exactly. Let's say 20 years, and it is famous, and it is a success. So all the people who bought Amazon at $1 and now it is 2,000 or 2,500, so they have made millions of dollars, and some they become billionaires because of Amazon. Okay? Investors, it means they look and they think that this is a gold nugget, so they buy it when it was cheap. Okay. So we said we have prediction, we have speculation, and we have trading by strategies. And this is what I do. Trading by strategies, it means you should have a fixed strategy with fixed rules, with fixed criteria. What does it mean? It means when you trade, you know what you are doing from the beginning until the end. From the beginning of the year, the 2nd of January, until 31st December, which is the end of the year, you know what you are doing when you are in the market. Okay? You have an idea how to buy, how to put stop loss, how to exit, how to follow the trend, how to manage your account. Everything in the trading. It's not one day you get a problem. You don't know what to do, either to stay in a stock or to sell it. Some people, they do like this. Okay, there is one guy who sent me an email last week, and he said, for example, he bought a penny stock at $3. Now it is $1.50. It means he lost 50% of his money. And he told me, what should I do? Okay. I told him, okay, did you ask me before you buy the stock? You ask me, oh Karim, I'm having this stock. What do you think about it? Before you buy it. Now I see the stock, I say this, I will never buy it because of that and that and that. Now you should not go and buy this stock. Okay? But when you buy it by yourself, you don't know how to trade, and you got into a trouble. And then you ask me, what should I do? For me, I'm not going to be in your place. Because for me, it is before I buy, I see the stock, according to my criteria, according to my strategy, I will not buy that stock. I have rules to apply on any stock. So I'm not just going to throw my money, because people, they think it's just a game, like gambling. Okay, just buy a ticket with $2 or $5 or $10 each month, and just gamble. One day you get 50 million or 100 million dollars, and you become the richest person in the city, and you are right. No, I am not doing that. I am not a guy who go gambling. Okay? Yes, I am into a risk of losing money, but I risk my money in many stocks, but not all the stocks I lose money. So I can lose little money, but most overall, at the end of the year, I am making money. That is what is most important thing. So for me, I don't focus on a single stock and I put all my money. This will never happen to me because this is against the rules. Okay? Damien Calendar, you say, I am in. Kareem is in. SYT, based on your strategy, so far so good. Thank you very much, Damien. We will, I will answer all your questions, guys. So I'm going to explain more and more. So this is it. Now we go back to our main theme, which is what to expect in the stock market. I should go to the chart right now, and I will show you the Dow Jones and the other benchmark. Okay. 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 So there are a lot of people. They say to me, "Oh, Kareem, what is the relation between why you are looking at benchmarks, and what is the relation of your strategy to the benchmarks?" Understand that when you expect something in the stock market, it should be. Hey, Damien. Yes, I will see that later. So the thing is, my strategies has a criteria related to the benchmark. It means to the heaviest benchmark that we have, which is Dow Jones. You can use another one like New York Exchange or S&P 500. Most of the professionals use either Dow Jones or S&P 500. Most of the people, they use S&P 500 because it is the most strongest and the stocks move too fast and so on. But for me, it's the same. I am using always Dow Jones because it has the 30 biggest companies in America and in the world, and this index has a lot of sectors, okay, and it's each stock, each company, it gives you what is going on in its sector. Now I also use sectors. That's why my strategies, when you see my strategies, is always based on the benchmarks, on the industries, on the sectors, because here I'm telling you why I am looking at that. I will show you right now the Dow Jones and the other benchmarks, but I will tell you, in my opinion, according to my strategies, why I use them. What is the benefit? What is the advantages? It means why I should see the market. Now, to look at the market, it gives you what is the whole traders in the world are doing in the market. When I see the market, I know what the people are doing according to the chart. And this piece of information, for me, it is one of the biggest, nicest information that I can get. Now, for me, as you might know, I don't use what the people said or say in the market. I don't care about them. I care about what they do. That's why we have a proverb that says, actions speak louder than words. Okay? So you might know what is this proverb do with what I do. It's just because when a lot of people are buying, I see it in the benchmark. If there are mutual funds or hedge funds or a lot of traders are buying, I see it. So this is an indication for me that the market can go into a good trend, small trend or medium trend or big trend. If the market falls down, it means that there are a lot of selling, that a lot of selling short. A lot of people are scared, so they sell. So this is an indication that the people are scared. So it's time to sell short. So you see how I use the benchmarks, industries, sectors, and most of the time, I show this in my life just to show you how things work. Now, all my students that I have an idea that they should look at this or a sector or industry where the stocks are. At least they have an idea. If the market is collapsing, there is no need to go long because all the market is collapsing. So the probabilities are you will be losing money in these trades. If the whole market is going up, there is no need to go and sell short because the market is going up. But it doesn't mean that all the stocks follow the stock market. Here is the deal. There are some stocks that are doing better than the average, which is the benchmark, Dow Jones or S&P 500 or Russell 2000. There are some stocks that are doing better. This I call the leaders of the stock market. The leaders are strong stocks that they move so fast, faster than the average stocks. And this is what I am always after. That's why you see that this week's our trading account that anyone can see when you subscribe, you see that we are going from 58 like 4 weeks ago or 52%. Now we are at 84%. Each week we are advancing. Okay? Although the market doesn't do that much. So you see why my trading account is going good each week and the market doesn't move that much. Why? It's just because the stocks I have are better than the average. But in order to find these stocks, you should follow my strategies, you should follow how I find these stocks, and you should use my criteria. So let's go now to show you now the chart. Now, as you can see, here is the high of the year. Let's see here. Oh, no, not the high of the year. Let's see here. What is the high of the year? Yes. No, we are not in the high of the year. The high of the year is, let's see, it is 12 February 295 87. Yes, $295.87 on the 12th of February, on Wednesday, 2020. This is the high of the year. And then we have what we call the coronavirus news, bad news. And then now we have the trend. And then the trend falls down like this. And then we might see another trend. But we don't know if this trend can continue, yes or no. So for you guys, this 2, 4, 5, 1 week, 2, 4, 5, yes, 3 weeks. If you count from this 3 weeks here, these 3 weeks that I'm showing here, If you don't make money, it means that your stocks are worse than the market. Now, if you are making here, if you are making better, so I will, guys, I will, okay. I will take this and I will put it into the thing in order to explain later. I will explain later. Okay. So, yes. So guys, as you can see this is the small trend that you see it in the market. What does it mean this? It means 3 weeks the stocks in the stock market are going up. Now, they are not going that much up. So, for example, if you take this price, which is $250, we are $266. It means $16 gained from these 3 weeks. So, you could find some stocks that are better than the market like this, or you can find some stocks doing the same, or you have some stocks that are doing worse than the market. Now you should see your stocks. You should see your account. What does your account do? Okay, so let's right now. Let's go to the paint. So guys, I'm trying to explain very, very well, and at least you can get what I'm looking for. So, as I told you guys, okay. Now, this is because the stock market has been going down, it stops, then it goes up. This, what you see here, is the stocks what are doing now. Almost all the stocks average. Now, check your account in 3 weeks. If it is going up like this, these are the best stocks. It means you are doing better than the market. If the stocks are doing, your stocks are doing like this, they go up, but it's not that much. It means you are doing the average. But if your account is going down, it means that you have the worst stocks. It means your choice of stocks are bad. Okay? It means the market is going up and your stocks are going down. What does it mean? It means you have selected the worst stocks, and I can say this. So here, these stocks are called the leaders, the best stocks, or what we call the best stocks in the stock market. Now, if you go to these ones here in the middle, so there are the average. It means you are so the average. It means the stocks are medium. They are not so good. They are not so bad. So medium. Medium. It means you have made some money, but it is not a big money, and you will get a problem when you get the worst stocks in the stock market. You are in them. If you lose money, okay, so if you lose money in these 3 weeks, what does it mean? It means your stocks are bad. Now, average or medium stocks, it means you are making little money. So we can do that here, okay. So you are making little money, but you are making little money, but here you are making too much money, and you will be okay. Okay? So this is just to understand. So this is a way to understand the market. So if you ask me, now the answer to the question I ask, what to expect, okay? What to expect next week or the other weeks. So this depends on the market here. Does it continue going up? So your best stocks will continue go up more and more. So you will be making more and more money. If you are average, your stocks will be making more and more money. Not that much, but you will make money. But at the opposite here, if you still choosing the worst, they will be always worse than the average. Okay? And this is why I use what we call the benchmarks. Now I will when we go to other things, I will explain more and more this stuff. So, okay. So guys, this lesson that I am giving you gives you a general idea how things work, and you should know yourself how you are doing. Okay, you should know what you are doing. Now, we are at 41 minutes. So before we finish the lesson, I will just show you on the chart how to look at the industries and how to look at sectors. Okay? So this you need to do some work. It means you stay some days and you put all these sectors in your radar. It means you put them in a portfolio and then in the chart, and then you follow them, and then you see where they are going. So I will give you an example, okay, from the chart. Okay, for me, I have already bought this many years ago, and I will show you how much money these sectors has got. Yes, look here. There is no name here, but when I click it, it should show the thing. But I put them in 29 November 2017. Okay, it's nearly 2 years and 8 months or 9 months. It means it's nearly let's say nearly 3 years. Okay, it's December. So December, we are in July. Yes, let's say it is 2 years and a half. Now look at when I put this sectors. Look here how much the sectors has done. For example, this is XLI. If you bought it in 29 November 2017, you did not make any money if you bought this one, which is industrial sector. You should not make any money. Okay, but if you bought XLV, which is the healthcare, you have made 27 points, because understand that sectors, they move slowly like the benchmark. They are not like stocks. Okay, they are not like stocks. Consumer discretionary, it's 39%. Material sector, it is 3%. Technology sector is 68%. But we can find a loser here. This one, XLE, which is energy sector, you will be losing minus 46%. You understand? You understand that if you have bought some stocks here, you will be losing, or you have invested money in this kind of stocks, you have been losing 46% of your money. So you understand how important is to look at the sectors, what the sector is doing. You can just go to a loser and you throw your money into a loser and then you lose all your money. But let's see in the future. We have 89 here, which is excellent, which is the innovative technology ETF. Okay? You get 89% in these 2 years and a half. There is another one. Insurance, you lose 69%. Okay? Not all the stocks, but most of them. There is one which is excellent, which is this one. Oil and gas equipment and services. It says here 113%. I don't know. Entry price 15. Now it is 33. It means this. It was bought very, very cheap at that time. Now, okay? So you see the green, you see the red. Now, before I finish showing you this, let's show you how to check this. You should click that here on the top under stocks, the blue line here. On the right side, you click that. You see main scan component industry or ETFs. You just go down a little bit until you see morning's industry groups. Now, in each sector, like aerospace and defense sector, you will find industries on the right side. So if you want to check only one, you can click that. But if you want to check the sector, it means by its industries and stocks, you click that. Now, here it is what is it doing? Look at that. Look. It means when the market collapses, it hasn't done that much. Although it has gone here so good, but it collapsed again. So if you are in aerospace defense major dive, most of the stocks are not doing that good. And this is something very, very important to know, that if you have put all your money there, you will be a loser. Another one, okay? So it's the same thing. And then you see stocks. Most of the stocks are not doing that much, although some they do a little bit good, better. But see, some stocks, okay? Some stocks are doing just bad. This stock is doing better, I guess. Okay? So this is how to check. And it needs some work. And for example, you should always, here in this chart, it gives you something very, very important that you should always see. Well, what is it? It is okay. Yes, you should always look at the stock. The stock is called the symbol RTX, for example. Now, this is the name of the company, Raytheon or Raytheon Technologies Corporation. This is the name. Now, what is this below? Aerospace defense. This is the sector. And this one, aerospace defense products and services. This is the industry. It means you should know where this stock belongs to. Okay? This is very important. It's not just you buy anything and without knowing anything. So this is major information, and this, okay? So this stock is 62. So here you can go. Yes, you find it here. RTX. RTX is in aerospace defense product services, and it is industry, and it is in aerospace defense sector. If you want to change, you can click that on the top left below the stocks in blue. in this blue bar here. You click that, and then you go and you can do any sector. For example, let's say you want to see chemicals sector. You click that, and then you begin to see. You see that chemicals is doing better than aerospace defense, because you see there is a good trend coming up, and specialty chemicals, this is doing better. You see the stocks, some stocks are doing better. See this stock, the low here after coronavirus, it was 325. Now it is 610. So if you have bought it on the right time, you will double your money this year. You understand? So this is what I am teaching. And this is in my account. If you go to my account, you will find that we have bought from the beginning. I am not going to buy from here or here, because you are not going to make money at the end of the trend, but you should begin with the trend at the beginning. Okay, so this is what we should do, and this is the thing that I am teaching. Hello, Pablo. How are you? Okay, now it is 51 minutes, so I will be just speaking a little bit, and then I will stop, and then I will see, guys, what is your questions. So guys, if you have questions, please ask, because and then I will begin from the beginning, and I will begin answering your questions. Okay, so we begin with the beginning. So as I told you what to expect in the stock market, I said if next week and the other weeks the market continues to go up. Hello, free trader. If the market continues to be good, almost all the people will make money, and if it stays very average, some make money, some don't. But if the market collapses, you will see that almost all the stocks are going down, and if you don't exit, you lose your profits. Okay. Now let's begin from the beginning. So Rahmatullah, hello. Fabian, hello. Rahmatullah, he told me to check Vax and Moderna, and Robert, he asked me to check Boeing. So let's go and check. But guys, let's see. Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at these nuggets. This stock, we have bought it in our account, but I sold it. So you see the stock here, it was 24, now it is 140. Do you see this big trend? This is what I'm looking for in terms of this year, because this year is something strange. It's something new, where the drug companies, they become wild. Okay? So NVAX, we have bought it. I think it's here or somewhere here, and we bought it. We make some money. I don't know how much percentage, and then I sold it. Okay, so here you have a gap up. Here we have a gap up. Here we have another gap up. Here we have another gap ups. It means that the stock is doing excellent. But try to be careful, as the stock has been going since May 11. May 11. After that, we have the gap up. May 11 till now. Okay, so be careful. Another one is Moderna. We have bought this stock before, we made some money, and when it was collapsing, I sold it. Because I have rules, so when the stock is not doing good, because it can continue going down and down and down here, okay? But now it's coming very, very big, very, very good, as you hear the news of the drugs and of coronavirus and the other stuff. So a lot of people, they jump and they buy on time, okay? And then we see Boeing. Now listen, look, can you see Boeing? And can you see, for example, I'm just giving you, what's this here? From March 23rd, okay? The stock was 105. Now it is 175, which is very good. Okay, I'm not saying it's not good, very good, because from 105 to 175, all the people who have bought it from the beginning, or at least here or here at the beginning, and they should have made some good profits. Because the stock has been wild in so many days. Few days it has gone so wild, then it goes down, then it goes so good, then it goes down. Here it was at 230. 230, if you have bought it here and you waited here, you could make more than 100%, 120. But understand, as oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you the chart. I was speaking the whole thing. I didn't make you. Okay, I will repeat again because I did not show you the chart. I was talking and did not show you the chart. So, Boeing, from the beginning, 23rd of March, it was 105. Now it's 175. So it has done good. Although the chart, it doesn't seem that it hasn't done good, but because when it is going up, it's going so fast. From 105 it goes to 180 in 4 days. That's why it doesn't show that it has gone so good, because the chart doesn't show that it has been so good. But in real, from 105 in 23rd of March, it goes to 180 in 26. It means after just 3 days. So you get 75%. That is excellent. If you bought it at 105, but okay, now it is 175. It means the people who bought it, they are making 70% if you have bought it right. Now let's go to NVAX. NVAX, NVAX, it was only $24. Now it is $140. Do you understand what does it mean? It's more than 500 and then maybe 580%. It's nearly 600% from this day, before the gap up. So you see that? Now this stock, we have bought it, I think, here in this trend, but I have sold it. If you go to my account, we bought it and we sold it. And why I didn't buy it again is just because I was full in my account. It means I don't have money. That's why I told you before. Sometimes you want to trade, but you don't have more money because all your stocks are there in your account. So you don't have money. Okay? And don't tell me, you should sell and buy. No, I don't do that. So I should keep my stocks until the trend finished, and what they get is what I get. Okay? Now, Understand that this, we have bought it this year. It means in March, not March, maybe April, May, June. We have bought this stock, and it is one of the stocks in my coronavirus stocks. I have made a speculation about these stocks. This is one of them, and I think I have made the ebook. I think in February. Where is February? Yes. I have made my strategy here. You can find my ebook, Coronavirus Stocks here. Strategy here. So I expected stocks to do like this. But I have a lot of stocks doing like this. And we bought some. And we got gap ups. I think we got 4 gap ups, and we find a lot of trends. Now, Moderna, we bought it and we sold it when the market is going down. We sold it, and now it's going up. But for me, I was full. All my stocks are full, so I didn't buy it again. Okay. I hope you understood all what I say about this kind of stocks. So let's see the other what they say. Now, Rafe West say market will continue to go up thanks to the Fed printing money. No, listen to me. Listen, please. For me, I don't give you reasons why the stock market is going so good. I don't give you reasons. And the only reason I have is the price is moving up. That's why I buy. So you should understand my strategies. My strategies are not based because of the company is good or because of analysts or because of the Fed or because of the... Okay? I am not following these things in order to trade. It means when I buy a stock, I buy it because of the price and the chart. I don't buy it because of the Fed. Printing money, it means that the economy is not doing good, so it's a bad sign. It's not a good sign. The stock market, if you want to understand what I'm saying, as always, is behaving differently from the economy. The economy is too bad in these 3 or 4 months. From February, March, April, May, June, July, it's bad. That's why Trump wants to open everything, because the economy will collapse if we continue with our companies that are shut down. Millions, I see like many weeks ago, 40 million Americans are out of job. They are jobless. They have no jobs. How can you say the Fed is printing money and this will make the stock market? No, I don't follow these guys. I don't follow the Fed. If you know when the market is going up without a chart, okay, just buy with the Fed. When they say it's bad, sell short. When they say good, you buy long, and then you can make money. But this, you will never make money like this, because the stock market does not follow the Fed or someone who is speaking. It's the opinion of the traders that change the market. For me, how do I know the opinions of the people, of the traders in the world? How do I know it? I know it through the price. And I have said to you this saying, actions speak louder than words. Actions is what you see in the price. I don't want to see someone who is boosting. You say, oh, this company is good, and this company has sold many cars, all its cars, and this company is excellent. This company is making money. Now, this doesn't work with me. I don't buy a stock because a company is selling cars or selling whatever is selling. I don't. If I don't see a good chart, I'm not going to buy a stock. Whatever you tell me. Even if you give me the money, for free, and you say, Karima, I give you the money, buy this stock. I will not buy your stock. I will buy my stock according to my strategies. Where I see the money, I don't follow you. You should follow me. When you take my strategies, you understand me, you know how to trade, and then I say, it's good. What I do is what you are going to do. We have the same ideas about the market. So you understand that for me, I trade with strategies, I trade with rules. I am not going to throw my money because the Fed said something, or because the company has said something, or because an analyst has said something, or because the company is good. I'm not going to buy like that. Because the market is mostly different from the economy. The proof of that is that our economy is collapsing. We are not making money. 40 million guys are out of work. The government has to give money to the people in order that they survive this coronavirus pandemic thing. And then you tell me, oh, because the stock market is going up because of the Fed. No, I'm not going to accept that. So you say, how do you fix this? What's the lesson? The lesson, I'm telling you, is to follow the benchmarks, Dow Jones or S&P 500 or Russell. I will just give you what they are doing right now. At least you have an idea. I don't want to talk just to talk, but I just show you. Okay, this is Dow Jones, as I said. I have explained before. And Russell 2000 is the same thing. If the same thing, this is the high of before. Let's see if there is no high before. Yes, there is another high. This is the high of the year. You can see it here on the 17th January 2020, before the collapse, which is the coronavirus pandemic news. When the market is collapsed. Now the market is going up for so long, so as you can see, but understand that if the market continue to go up, everything will be okay. But if it falls, it will be a problem. Now, S&P 500, it's the same thing. We have the high of the year. Yeah, you see before how the stock market is doing excellent. From the 3rd of October till 19 February. Okay? So October, November, December, January, February. So 5 months trend. This is what I am looking for, guys. This is where I am always. Wherever there is a trend, I am in. Now, why is that? I follow trends. That's why I am a swing trader. Following trends. Following trends. This trend makes me money. But if you go here and here when you see trouble, either you sell short or you exit or you don't trade. Now, for gold, it's doing excellent these days because the market is not doing anything. So the gold is doing excellent. It's going into a trend. It might continue or it might collapse. I don't know. So we should look at the future. Silver is doing the same also. This is just QQ. Yes, QQ is just the other thing. Okay? Now let's go and Damien said, Karim is in NYT based on your strategy. So far, so good. NYT. Yes. Now you see the stock, the trend. If you, let's say from here, this is the beginning of the trend on the 23rd April. See how good is the trend. Okay? You see, this is based on training level 13. Because as you might know, I have many strategies. It's buying from the support line, buying from the bottom, but it is difficult. But for me and my students, I showed them this year and last year, I showed them how to buy from support line, and I bought stocks. They see them, we make money, and now we are at 84%, and this is excellent percentage this year. And it might continue to go up and up and up. Okay, let's go and check the others. Can you give your opinion? Excellent, Damien. If you have bought this stock, you should have made a lot of money. If you have other questions, Damien, you can send me an email, because I will not give my strategy here or explain too much. So if you have any other question, you just send me an email and ask me specific questions if you have questions. Stepping Stone, hi guys. Free Trader, hi guys. Pablo Diaz, you come late, Pablo. You should come earlier. Thank you very much, Pablo. I just subscribed. Thank you very much, Stepping Stone. Now, Stepping Stone, do you mean you have subscribed in my subscription or to this channel? Because this channel, I'm explaining some of my strategies in general, but I have subscription in my website where we have trading account, we have an investing account, and we are 84% from January 31st this year. Okay, and we buy stocks, we follow them, and I buy and they sell, and the people are looking. So if you are in these subscriptions, I don't know if it's YouTube or what you are meaning of that, but it's okay. I give you the link. Maybe in the future you get interested. You can just check it and see it. Okay. Stepping Stone, are you interested in being on my podcast? Excuse me, Stepping Stone, please, can you send me an email? Because I'm not doing business in here. I'm just explaining things for my guys, for my channel. So please send me an email and send me your channel. We can speak about that later. Thank you very much. Stepping Stone, steppingstonetrader.com. Okay, so Stepping Stone, please send me an email and we can discuss this later. Thank you very much. Diamond, I got this in 15th of June. Oh, that's good, man. 15 June? Let's see. Okay. So you bought it at 41, now it's 45. So you have you enter in the meat of the trend. So I thought you have bought from the beginning as the other stocks that we have bought, but it's okay. So send me an email and we can discuss this later. Thank you very much. Damien. So new trend. Okay. So guys, this is the lesson of today, is what to expect in the stock market. And I said you should follow the trends. You should follow the benchmark, what it is doing, like Dow Jones or S&P 500 or Russell 2000. It's better to have S&P 500 or Dow Jones because they are the biggest because they give you a true thing what's going on in the market. So understand that if the whole market is going up, it means that most of the stocks will be going up. But if the whole market is collapsing, most of the stocks will go down. Whatever stock you think about can go down, and you make big losses if you stay in. Okay? No problem, Damien. Thank you very much, Damien. Damien, if you have any other question, Damien, you can send me an email and we can discuss this in private. So, guys, I have to finish this live. So please, guys, now it's 1 hour 15 minutes. If you have more questions about what to expect in the stock market, this is our question. If you have something to tell me or you have something to ask, because for me, I am always following the market. I follow my stocks. If the stocks are not good for me, I sell them, and you see them in the trading account. You try to go there and see them. And I always, when I sell a stock, I will send you a video and I say, okay, today I sold this stock because this and this reason. If I bought another stock, I will make a video for you. And plus the weekend, I make a search, I explain in a lesson, we do other stuff, I show you my trading account, what's going on, what's good, what's bad. We see the investing account for the golden subscription, and that's it. Okay? So guys, if you have no question, I should close this live. And if you need me, as always, you can send me just an email and you say hi, and you can ask me questions. And that's it. That's it for today. Okay? Okay, I see that most of the people are silent. So thank you very much, guys, and see you next week.